Hey y'all, welcome to the Tasty Tiger. I'm Chef Carter,
And I'm Chef Ava.
and today we're making shrimp scampi.
Yeah.
So first,
So we have our
we
water.
have our pasta
It's
and the
boiling
boiling
over
water
there.
already.
So while we wait for that, we're gonna turn this on. Okay.
Yeah.
Just a simmer is good. And then you're going to add in
The butter.
a cup of butter. Half cup.
A log of butter.
Yep. Okay.
So
now you go over there.
okay.
Now I'm going to mince 4 cloves of garlic.
Yeah.
So the first, to make it easier, you crush it.
So a fun fact about this dish is that the word scampi actually means shrimp. So we're making shrimp or scampi today.
So we decided to make this dish because I like shrimp and Carter likes noodles.
Yeah. Make sure you make something that you like. Otherwise, you won't want to eat it.
That's facts. Okay. So this seems to be minced.
Yeah.
So we're going to add this into our melted butter. Oh, it wasn't. And then just stir until it's melted fully.
Yeah. It needs to be melted.
Okay. You want to stir your pasta occasionally just to make sure everything's going all right.
If it starts to foam, it doesn't mean that it has rabies. It just means that it's going to taste really good.
That's facts.
Yeah. Yeah. So the first shrimp scampi was made in the 1700s. So it's a really old dish.
It's a classic.
It's a classic. It really is. It's so good.
And it's also easy to make.
Yeah.
If we can do it, so can you.
Yeah, really.
I'm going to turn the heat down just a little. For good measure. Okay. So now we're going to take our shrimp. Chef Carter, he's going to stir that in while we add our 1 cup of cooking wine.
Yeah.
But we'll let it sit in there a little before we do that.
Yeah, because it needs to do, like, stuff.
And while you're cooking your shrimp, make sure that you're flipping them because, you know, there's 2 sides. You want to make sure it all gets cooked. Okay, we're going to switch, I guess.
Yeah, we are. Okay, so shrimp scampi is an Italian-American dish. If you didn't know, that's what it is.
Just like Olive Garden.
Yeah. Make sure the stove is on. That's a good idea.
Yep. Just going to put it on like a medium heat, you know. If it's too high, you won't get all those flavors that you need.
Yeah.
And if your garlic is more of a small dice than a mince, it's okay. Still good. All right, Chef Carter's going to add in the cooking wine. Nice and slow. Yeah.
Wine adds a lot of flavor, okay, guys? So this is cooking wine because it is.
All right, and then we're also going to add some black pepper and some salt. Are the noodles done, Chef Carter?
I think so.
All right, so Chef Carter's going to go strain those, and we're going to add the noodles into this.
Yeah. Looks good. Yummy.
Oh, yeah.
It looks good, like you want to eat it.
You're just going to stir everything together so it's all combined. You want the noodles to soak up that liquid in there and stuff. Makes it real good. Yeah, now Chef Carter is gonna add in some cheese.
So you can also use this as a garnish.
Yeah,
so
we're
you
gonna
don't have to put all of it
We're
in.
gonna save a little bit of cheese because you want to garnish with that. Garnishing is really good to do to your cooking dishes. It adds some color and some texture. It makes you want to eat it.
It makes
Let's be real.
like
No garnish, no eat. Garnish.
Makes it look like you might consider eating it.
Yep. We want to make sure you get all your stuff.
Yeah.
It's like we forgot a little bit of salt.
Yeah,
It's all right. You can always add it in. It's right there. Yep. Yeah. That's good. All right. So now it is ready to plate.
Yeah.
You want to make sure you turn all your stuff off, you know. Gonna plate that. Get your pasta.
Yeah.
Gotta get some shrimp on there too.
And this serves 4. So you like
that's why there's a lot of it.
Yeah.
Good for a family meal time. Or one person. We don't judge.
Yeah.
Do what you want.
This is America.
That's facts. All right.
Is that all we want to do?
Now to finish it off, garnish. Garnish always.
Yes. Make sure you put
some cheese and some chopped parsley.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that. See, the garnish took it from I don't want to eat it to I'm going to devour this.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for
Thanks
tuning
for
in
watching.
to Tasty Tiger. Come back next time.
Yeah. Bye.